Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a few things that I have been loving lately. I really miss doing the monthly favorite videos on YouTube, so I wanted to do something along those lines, but maybe not every month, and it wouldn't be like beauty products how I used to do them. So I thought I would share a few things that have helped me on my keto journey, so maybe they will help you too. So the first thing, if you follow me on Instagram, either my personal Instagram or my keto Instagram, you've probably seen me talk about these, but it's the Lillys Caramelized and Salted Chocolate Bar. It's 40% chocolate and they are sweetened with stevia. So if you're a chocolate lover, I definitely recommend picking up a Lillys bar. Maybe I'll do a whole video on all of the flavors, but this one is by far my favorite. So there are 2 servings per bar. It ends up being 3 net carbs for just a half of a bar, which I used to eat like the entire bar. I would get super carried away, but now I pretty much just break off 1 row and have that with some macadamias. That helps me if I'm wanting something sweet, but it doesn't have any sugar in it because it is sweetened with stevia. So if you can, definitely try these bars. Next up is something new to the keto world, I guess. It's the Birch Benders Keto Pancake Mix, and it's 5 grams of net carbs per 2 pancakes. Yes, that's right. So I just found these at Target. If you watched my video where I made the pancakes, you know I went to 4 or 5 Targets, a Whole Foods, and another health food store, and I couldn't find the keto mix, but luckily I found one at a local Target. So you should be able to find them across the United States at a Target if you have one, hopefully. I was really excited about them because I, for some reason, missed having pancakes, and I've just never really been interested in making an actual keto pancake recipe. So finding this mix was really exciting, and all you have to do is add water. It's super easy and they taste just like normal pancakes. So this has been an awesome find. Next up is my absolute favorite drink at the moment right now. It is the Fruit Punch Zipfizz. It's B12 energy. It's supposed to give you energy for 4 to 6 hours. And also it has electrolytes in it, so that's awesome. If you're on the keto diet, if you feel like you're getting the keto flu, definitely drink one of these. They come in little tubes like this, so you just mix it with some water and pour it over ice, and it is such a refreshing drink to have. I have never been a soda person, so other than kombucha, I don't like carbonated drinks at all. So the name Zipfizz just kind of like, I didn't want to try them, but I broke down, and I'm so glad that I did because they are so good, especially the fruit punch flavor. I know they have a lot more flavors on Amazon, so check those out and see if there's a flavor you would like to try. But yeah, these are definitely a good thing to have, especially for the electrolytes. And next up is a book that I have been loving. I actually bought it a week ago. This is the Keto Diet book from Dr. Josh Axe. I had to get this book because he is someone that has influenced me so much to do keto, and he's just given out so much information that I just felt like I had to support him and get this. And I saw that he posted this book on his Instagram stories last week saying it was 20% off at Barnes & Noble. So I literally went that night and bought it, and I have been reading it. It's really interesting. He explains the keto diet and how to get into ketosis, and also there's a few different plans of how to do keto. If you're someone who wants to incorporate intermittent fasting, he talks about that with keto, as well if you want to do a vegan keto plan, there's that. And also he has recipes and a big keto shopping guide in the back. So that's super helpful, especially if you are new to the keto diet. Get this book, you will not be disappointed. And also check out his YouTube channel. You can just type in Josh Axe in the search bar. There's so much information that he gives out for free. So I would definitely take advantage of that and learn a thing or two from him. But that is it for today's video. I hope you try some of these things out and let me know if you like them. I don't know if I'm going to do this kind of video every month or ever so often when I have things to share. I share a lot more over on my Instagram, which is healthymindedm. So I would recommend checking that out and give me a follow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.